Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to peel a ginger with a spoon. So let's get started. Ginger, spoon. So you want to take your spoon and scrape it against the skin, and it'll come right off. It's amazing! So rather than using a knife or a vegetable peeler, next time we're gonna reach for the spoon. Plus, we're not gonna waste any excess ginger, just the skin. Yay! I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, leave me some comments. Bye guys!